So today's question is, we want to find the Monday before the oldest date. So in a minute I'm going to show you a range of dates. We want to get the oldest date and then go back and get the Monday before that. Okay, so let's go to our input sheet. Here we have some items, text items or to-do items. Here we have a bunch of dates in here. And we know that they are proper dates because nothing on the horizontal alignment has been changed. So a date, or which is really a number, goes to the right, text goes to the left. This text really would also go to the left, but I changed it just so it's sort of in the middle, out of the way. Okay, and a date, I'll prove that it's really a number by format cells, and I will go back into here and show you that it is a number. If we pick general, which is really nothing, no specific number format or number, you see that's a number. And that's the number of days since 1900. I think it's January 1st, 1900. That's the first day in Excel. Here we have status, which we're not going to really use. Now, here are the dates across the top, sort of a little calendar. And I just put in this date, but obviously if these change, and there's nothing in the whole big area, we want this to always be the Monday or the first day before the oldest one here. Anyway, so let's get to the steps. The first step is find the oldest date. So we simply use the min function, minimum. Highlight that area. You have to type in the equal sign, min, open parentheses, the range, and close parentheses, and press the enter key. So that's our smallest date, or oldest date, I should say, in that entire area. If I were to change this to the 17th, I press enter, obviously it changes it here. So next step is, well, what is the weekday number? So a Thursday, what is it? So we look over here, and I sort of created this quickly, but Sunday's a 1, Monday's a 2. We go over to Thursday is a 5. So that's what the weekday does. It needs a date, and it will tell you the day of the week. Actually, you can even change if your week starts on a Monday, like in some places, or who knows, a Saturday. You can actually change that in there as well. We have this return type, which is any parameter in square brackets, as you can see here, is optional. So I'm not using it, but you could use it. So you could research that as well. But in this case, if we're sticking with Sunday is a 1, so the Thursday is a 5. But if we want to go back to the Monday, we want to go back 3, not 5. That goes too far. So we only want to go back 3. So Thursday, 1, 2, 3 is a Monday. If it's a Saturday, we have to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it's a 7. Saturday is the 7th day of the week, but we only want to go back 2. So in step 3, I'm just doing the math here. Take the weekday number, which is the 5. So you see how this is green, and this is a green box. That's a 5, minus the 2. So it lines up with this. If it's a Thursday, we only want to go back 3, not 5. Pretty simple way to do it. So we do that first, which is the number that we're going to subtract, which is a 3. And this is just referencing our date. So here is the Monday before it. So let's test this out. Let's now make this be the 16th of October. So now we have a Wednesday, which is the min, the oldest date. We have a 4 for the weekday, and over here we see it's a 4, yes, but you only want to subtract 2. So we're always, whatever we have up here, whatever the red one is, we want to subtract 2 from that. If it's a 7, we want a 5. A 4, we want a 2. So I've done that inside of here. Now, you'll notice that these are 3 little steps, and I could put them all together. I could write one, I could copy this, Control C to copy, press Escape. I could go here, paste it into the formula bar, and now I'm going to go and get everything I need, the C17. Okay, I'm going to go and copy this. Control C, press Escape. Now I'm going to just type over, or select C17, press Paste. We're going to put this all in one cell. Now I need the C18 value. Well, I'm going to go here, copy that, press Escape, and going to put that here as well. So everything is in one place. This formula, all it needs is that range. That's all it needs. Oh, actually, I lied. This one. Okay, so the min, what did I do here? I have to put that in twice. I could take this, copy, select the C17 again, delete, paste, and press enter. And now we click in here, now we see that it just needs the dates here. So we've got our long formula here, but what we want to do is actually put that formula in here. Now, I'm going to show you something. This area is a table. So when we add, we can go to the last part, press tab. We could add a new entry. Create video. Put in today's date and say in progress, which hopefully it is. Now, in this cell, I'm going to build that formula, but the syntax is going to change. A little harder to read, but it's interesting because it's dynamic, and if the range grows, the formula will grow automatically. So what was step one? We want to use the minimum function, highlight that area, put on the closing parentheses, press enter. That's the minimum date. What was step two? We have to then, we have to subtract the weekday number of the minimum. Now maybe there's other ways to do this too, but this is what I came up with the other day really quickly. So you notice how it's selecting this table. The name's not very creative. It's just the default name, table 1, and it's the date field. So table, which is all of this, and then the date, which is this particular field. So we're saying the min of the date field in this table 1 minus, we're doing this all over again, and then I have to do my -2, and I press enter. So here I don't have it formatted to show the days of the week, but we know that October 14 is a Monday. And now all the other days after it, they just +5. So I can come back to this cell above, simple drop down, let's say make it a 1, and it starts on the Monday and it goes all the way through.